So a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. And our live game is England against Switzerland. I'm Peter Drury, and it's my chance to say that it is an absolute delight to have Jim Beglin beside me.
Thanks for that, Peter, and may I say a big hello to everyone.
England have elected to go 4-3-3.
Yeah, it allows for an expansive passing game, and with everyone doing their job properly, it can be difficult to contain.
Off we go then. So Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
It's got to be the very flexible Raheem Sterling. From centre forward to wing back, he can play a variety of roles, and usually with the knack of finding a yard of space. For me though, he's most dangerous in attack.
Yes, he'd be my pick too. It's going to be all about how they get the best out of him. And he's onside! Done very well to get to that.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage. Sometimes that's exactly...
Has a hit! Goes for goal! Goal! England!
Unbelievable.
Sommer did well the first time. Nothing he could do about the follow-up.
Well, that's not the best attempt by the keeper, and he's just paid the ultimate price, hasn't he?
England go ahead, 1 goal to the good. Bolo, Dermic, Shaqiri. He's come loose. Rose, Rashford. And it's Dele Alli. Now the pump. Lingard! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Throw in. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Shaqiri plays it forward. Dele Alli. Lingard looks to clip it forward. Well read, he sorted that out. Can he shoot? Hits one! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
And it's Walker. Big chance! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
And the header! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
And it's Mbolo. Lobs it in gently. Shaqiri needed to come up with a better ball.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
It's the channel. Just brushed off the ball there. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Josip Dermic goes looking. Dele Alli. Well, this man's contribution is, as you would expect, proving terrific.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply part of his package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
Lingard. Stones. They scored inside the first 10 minutes to give them a 1-0 lead. Kane. It's Kane! It's a goal! A 2-goal lead and they're firmly in control.
England are so well practiced in the art of keeping the ball through wonderful passing and movement, and a real appetite to ensure it's reflected in their goal count.
England take a 2-goal lead and things should be comfortable from here on in.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Granit Xhaka. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Seferovic!
That's a cracking strike, and it may have stung the palms of the keeper.
Aimed long and direct. He'll try from distance. Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
It so nearly came off for him.
But that's the motivation and enthusiasm he showed.
It's Seferovic! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
Beautifully worked to take the defence out of the picture, but there'll be no rush to see the replay on this.
Now it's Kane. And it's Sterling. Looks to slip it through. Lovely bit of skill. Now he's wondering who wants it. Hits one! Seferovic. Granit Xhaka. And the whistle goes for half-time. Do it back on the first 45 minutes.
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first-half success with another show of strength?
England sitting pretty here at half-time, 2-0 up. So we're already into the second period. Chip through. Shade too heavy. Keeper can pick that up. Dermich! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Straight through to the keeper. Now it's Kane. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And it's Mbolo. And he's away. It's Mbolo! He's got away with one there.
Seferovic can take all the credit for reading the situation, but careless defence played its part.
Rashford. He's made sure that won't get through. Forward it goes. And it's Seferovic. Out wide to the right. Lichtsteiner looking to get on the end of this. Shaqiri. Hits it! Decent enough try.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Walker with the ball through, and he's cut it out. Throw it. Shaqiri. And it's Shaqiri. England in a very solid position, 2 to the good. It's a goal kick. And it's Embolo. Steiner, great strength, too strong for his opponent. No complaints about that challenge, robust but fair. He's got the ball, he's got the space. Away from immediate danger, and it's been taken straight back. Lingard is effectively being marked out of the game here.
Well, they seem intent on marking him out of the game. They're certainly trying to wind him up in the process, Peter.
Defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think, you know, any good team, really, your striker should be the first line of that defence, and he's delivering.
Out towards the flank.
Steiner did so well, Peter, to ensure he got himself in the way. It's the kind of commitment we want to see.
Oh, well defended, that had to be done. Sommer sends that a long way. And it's Embolo. Durmic. Embolo. Switzerland have it back and they can go again.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Lingard! Tries to get it forward quickly. Kane. Shad did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on.
Well, the further he went, the more attention he attracted. There was just way too much pressure for him to get the shot away.
And that has put paid to that. And it's Shaqiri.
Variety is the spice of footballing life too. They need to alter their approach and start shifting this ball out wide.
Shaqiri, more than happy to take the muscular approach. Good run down the left. What can they make of it? Ali. Rashford. And the shot! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Massive leap! Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. England come away with the win.